Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to make a soft, delicious cake using just an air fryer. No oven, no fancy tools, and it is super quick. Let's get started. Here is what you will need: semolina, coconut milk, full cream milk, rainbow milk, vegetable ghee, small bowl of raisins, quite amount of cashew nuts, and sliced almonds. First, we fry semolina in a pan. Here is a tip: if you use smoked semolina, you can skip that step. Put 3 full spoons of ghee inside the heated pan. When ghee is melted, add all semolina and fry for 3 minutes to blend. Then add sugar, full cream milk, rainbow milk, and coconut milk. For coconut milk, leave for few amount to spread on top when you bake. Once semolina was well blended and became soft, we added all raisins and nuts. Mix well everything for 2 minutes. Grease the aluminum foil where you will bake the cake. For us, we only form aluminum foil into cake pan. Pour all blended semolina, tap it well to remove the bubbles. Spread vegetable ghee first and then nuts and coconut milk. Put in pan into air fryer. First, bake at 165 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then, bake again 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Look at that, soft inside, crispy on the side, perfectly golden. This air fryer cake is honestly as good as the one from the oven. If you try this at home, tag me and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your foodie friends. See you in the next video.